have my boom boom booty and two of my boom boom bodero. So I went to a little town fiesta, and there I met a lovely señorita who wanted to see my boom boom booty and two of my boom boom bodero. But that son of a bitch señorita, she had a disease called gonorrhea, and it ruptured the tip of my boom boom booty and one of my boom boom bodero. So I went to the little town Mexico, and he took out this lovely scalpelito, and he cut off the tip of my boom boom booty and one of my boom boom bodero. So tonight as I lay down my pillow, I look at what used to be my hero. There is nothing there but a patch of hair and only one boom boom bodero. I go to my good friend Nakabayo, and I borrow the tip of his boom and one of his boom boom bodero. I am a great caballero, I come from Rio de Janeiro. I have here with me my boom 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 and lopsided boom